Long multiplication using the grid or box method. The question is, what is 237 times 24? Please remember that that's the same as what is 24 times 237. With multiplication, it does not matter which order you do it, which way round. Okay, so the box method we use is we look at each of the digits and we say what they are worth, what their value is. So we write it in what they call expanded notation. So in this number, 237, the 7 is in the ones place, so it's worth 7. The 3 is in the tens place, so it's worth 30. And the 2 is in the hundreds place, so it's worth 200. The 2 here is in the tens place, so it's worth 20. And the 4 here is in the ones place, so it's worth 4. Okay, so we're going to write them at the top of the boxes now. So we said the 2 was worth 200, the 3 was really worth 30, and the 7 was worth 7. In 24, the 2 is worth 20, and the 4 is in the ones place. Remember, it doesn't really matter if you put the 4 there and the 20 there, the order there does not matter, as long as the 2 is worth 20 and the 4 is 4 ones. Now all we do is we simply multiply the two numbers at the sides of each box. So here we're going to do 200 times 20. In this box we'll do 30 times 20. And in this box we'll do 7 times 20. So let's do that. I'm going to change the colour. Let's do green. Okay, so 20 times 200. Well, I know that 10 times 200 is 2000, so 20 times must be double that. So I reckon it's 4000. If you're unsure, you just do 2 times 2, which is 4, and there are 3 zeros. Together that makes 4000. We write it in this box. And then we move to the next box. 30 times 20, or 20 times 30, same thing. Well, 2 times 3 is 6, and there's 2 zeros there. Because I know 10 30s are 300, so 20 30s must be double that, 600. 20 times 30 is 600, so we write that in the box. And then we keep doing the same method, 20 times 7, or 7 times 20. I know that 7 times 2 is 14, so 7 times 20 will be 140. And that's us finished with the top row of boxes. Now we do the same with the bottom row. So this will be 4 times 200. Goes in here. 4 times 200 is 800. And then the next, 4 times 30. Well, I know 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 30 is 120. And last but not least, 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. Now we've finished doing all of those multiplied by all of those. So these are all the answers that we have to put together. So I'm going to now have to do an addition. So go back to black. So I've got my 4000 there. But if you can, instead of writing 4000 plus 600, I know that together they make 4600. And with another 140, together they make 4740. 4740. So I'm going to write that here, 4740. That is those added together. Now I'm going to put these together. Well, 800 and 120 I know is 920. And 920 and 28 is 948. Altogether, I know that's 948. So I write it down here. 948. Please remember that the placement of your digits is very important. That's the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place. the thousands place. Put the digits in the right place. If I went too fast there and added those in my head and you couldn't do that, don't worry, just make a long list of all those numbers and add them as a normal addition. So now I'm going to add them. We all start at the one place. 8 add on 0 is 8, 4 add on 4 is 8, 9 add on 7 is 16, 4 add on 1 is 5. So the answer to 237 times 24 is 5,688. Thank you for watching.